Hi, this is Saul from PolicyPak Technical Support, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can allow your end users to install Windows phones on their own. So first of all, if I show you what the current behavior is, if I double click on the phone file on my Windows 7 machine as an end user, that's the prompt which we are going to avoid for the end user, so they can install it on their own. And same thing for the Windows 10 machine as well. And if I try to do that, they'll get that prompt, but we don't want that to be available for end users, so we are gonna avoid that. So by going back to the domain controller under user side, that's the target I'm going to set for my user. So I'm going to configure that under user configuration, and we're going to create an add new executable policy. Using a simple rule, I'll click on it next, and I will choose the condition path, and in here I'm going to select the add file from add folder actually. That's what we're going to select. Or we can select the file as well. So I'll go back to the file, click on the browse, and so whenever you click on the Windows Phones file, it's gonna launch Font View application for Windows 7 and Windows 10 machine. And the path is universal, so it's gonna be under System Root, System 32 folder, and the application is gonna launch as Font View. So we will do that for you. So you just need to select the executable, which is responsible to install the font file, and I will click OK. So now the condition is there, and this is the action we can choose. So I will run with elevated privileges. So click on next and elevated rights. So I will name it status enable, and that's it. So click finish. Now we'll go onto our target machine and run GP update on Windows 7, and same thing for the Windows 10 as well. Okay, so now the policy is updated successfully. So if we double click on the file, you're going to see that when I click on install, so that phone is going to install now. And if I go back to my Windows 7 machine, if I try to install here as well, so I'm able to install font here as well. Okay, I hope it helps. Thank you.